Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today we will be going over basic guidelines installing the Arnott new front air strut for the Porsche Macan 95B with Porsche Active Suspension Management. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Disconnect the electrical connector and airline. Now disconnect the upper control arms from the wheel carrier. Next, remove the lower fork mount pinch bolt and sway bar end link bolt. Also remove the lower fork mounting bolt. Disconnect and remove the lower fork mount from the strut. Loosen and move the engine bay support bar for ease of access to the top mount bolts. Once you gained access, remove the 4 top mount bolts. Make sure to avoid contact with the battery terminal closest to the top mount bolts. You are now ready to remove the strut assembly from the vehicle. Remove the rubber isolator and the 4 nuts securing the top mount and control arms to the strut and separate them. The removal is now complete. During the installation process, please make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Start the installation of the new Arnott air strut by installing the top mount and rubber isolator on the new strut. Now install the new strut assembly on the vehicle. Next, install the 4 top mount bolts. Reinstall the engine bay support bar. Also reinstall the lower fork mount, the pinch bolt, and the sway bar end link bolt. Now install the lower fork mount bolt. Connect the upper control arms to the wheel carrier and install the pinch bolt. Next, connect the electrical connection to the strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Insert the airline into the new Voss fitting and press the airline in firmly until it is seated. Then reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the air strut of a Porsche Macan 95B with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.